Alright guys, welcome back. And in today's video, if this is your first time watching, my name's Rob. I run the pay-per-click campaigns here at Junk Marketing Team. In today's video, we are going to run through a client who's active right now. You can see their campaign's enabled still. Last 7 days was their first 7 days we got started with them. So this is the most recent we have right here, and I just wanted to run through this with you guys and show you that they got 17 leads their first week with us. Cost per lead of $44. It's a little on the higher end, but this always goes down with time as the conversion strategies start working itself out and we start, removing dead weight keywords and stuff like that. So let's go through the first 7 days stats. That's August 25th to August 31st. This is a client in North Carolina, in a big city in North Carolina. Now they have 35 clicks, 365 impressions, 9.5 click-through rate, and an average cost per click of $21. That's on the very high end. Ideally we want that cut in half. But like I said, it's a brand new campaign, just got started. So first week spent $749, and their conversion rate is 48%. So out of every 100 website visitors we send them, 48 are picking up the phone and calling about having junk removed, or submitting a form saying, hey, here's what I have, I need it gone. Now we got 17 leads, like I said, at a cost of $44. So they actually started out, they're spending $125 a day now, but that just updated, I think it was like yesterday or the day before. They started out spending $75 a day, and they started like getting hammered with phone calls. So they were like, let's go double it up or move us up to like 120, 125, and then we just bumped them up there. And now they're hit the ground running. So if we go into the campaign, you're going to see here, just like our other case studies, all the same stuff. Guys, this is not hard. It's rinse and repeat. Any city in America, we can make this work in. And pull. I mean, these aren't just leads. I mean, they're phone calls and form submissions. These are deals. Deals are coming out of this. Lots of deals for these clients. It's a win-win for everybody. When you guys win, we win. And that's all we want. Like, we want to retain our clients for years to come. We want to do business for years. We don't want to just do a fly-by-night and, get you a couple leads and then no jobs come out of it because the intent of the leads is garbage. These are high intent leads. These are people, like I said in our other case study videos, we are only advertising to people who are looking specifically for a junk removal company in the city they're in. We're not trying to find people who just have a couch that they want trash to come take, or looking up the local trash company and what days our trash removal is. So these are high intent leads. And they're mostly phone calls, which is the most important part. I believe this guy, though, is a lot of desktop. But that could be, though, let's go to devices. That could be because he just started. So yeah, he's pretty even, 8 and 8. 8 leads came from a desktop computer, and 8 leads came from a mobile phone, and 1 came from a tablet. Ideally, we want most of the leads to come from phones because we want to pull more phone calls than form submissions. But it's a good first week. I can't complain. And I think they're only running 5 days a week. So they can easily, this is going to blow up for them. It's going to take off, but I think they're actually going to be moving to 7 days a week too shortly. So just keep that in mind, guys. That's always an option. You're never limited. There's junk removal space is huge right now. People are just all day, every day, all across the country. You'd be surprised. So if you guys have any questions about how we run our campaigns, or if you want to sneak peek behind the curtain, and we can do an audit for your campaign if you're running Google Ads right now, and we can give you some pointers on what to fix, free of charge, of course. Or if you want us to just deploy this campaign in your location and turn it on and send you jobs and leads, phone calls, everything, then just go to our website, go to the contact page, and we can set up a call and see if it's a fit. Besides that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.